Starting around the 14th of June 2023, HEX essentially is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.43% in most recent 1 hour. Amazingly, HEX basically has a kind of all-out market cap of $1,274,076,025 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,538,452, which especially is very critical. This in a real sense makes HEX genuinely positioning at 206 in the digital money market, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX generally be truly worth in 2023, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is HEX a sort of wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, or so they essentially thought? Will HEX cost outperform its record-breaking high, which certainly is very huge? These essentially are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future in an unobtrusive manner. HEX value expectation 2023 as per the HEX figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the HEX cost most certainly is supposed to in every practical sense cross a fundamentally normal value level of 1 cent. The normal truly least value worth of HEX toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be 1 cent. Or so they really thought. Besides, HEX can generally arrive at a sort of greatest value level of 1 cent, which sort of is very huge. HEX value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the by and large greatest cost for HEX could really stretch around $0. Moreover, the minimum cost of HEX in June 2023 sort of is $0, a for the most part normal cost of $0 a huge manner. HEX value expectation July 2023. The cost for HEX in July 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.01 cent, which generally shows that starting around the 14th of June 2023, HEX certainly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.43% in certainly most recent 1 hour in a significant manner. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0, which explicitly shows that HEX value conjecture June 2023. In June 2023, the exceptionally most extreme cost for HEX could by and large stretch around $0, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. HEX value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of HEX basically is supposed to fundamentally be at around a sort of least of $0, which is genuinely critical. HEX cost can generally arrive at an essentially limit of 1 cent with the kind of typical cost of 1 cent in USD. So on the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX generally be somewhat worth in 2023, which for the most part is very huge. HEX value expectation September 2023. HEX cost explicitly is supposed to explicitly reach between 1 cent to 1 cent in September 2023, while the truly normal cost of HEX for the September especially remains around 1 cent. HEX value figure October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of HEX especially is certainly anticipated to basically arrive at a by and large normal cost of 1 cent, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of 1 cent and an essentially least of 1 cent, which generally is genuinely huge. HEX value expectation November 2023. The cost of HEX basically is explicitly anticipated to in every way that really matters reach at a very least worth of 1 cent in November 2023, which generally is genuinely huge. The HEX cost could truly arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of 1 cent with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 1 cent all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. HEX value expectation December 2023. The cost of HEX fundamentally is for the most part anticipated to really reach at an in every practical sense least worth of 1 cent in December 2023. So in the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX for the most part be certainly worth in 2023 in an essentially large manner? The HEX cost could especially arrive at a very most extreme worth of 1 cent with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 1 cent all through 2023, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX pretty past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been somewhat diminished by 8.61% in its ongoing worth, showing how while the very normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0, which especially shows that HEX value estimate June 2023. In June 2023, the extremely greatest cost for HEX could stretch around $0 in especially large manner. Assuming we truly look at the truly current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap generally is likewise down, which basically shows that assuming you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX sort of be somewhat worth in 2023 in every practical sense? Huge way. Hex in a real sense is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins in a significant manner. The Hex truly is down to nearly 37.36% in the especially most recent 7 days, showing that Hex truly has a kind of complete market cap of $1,274,076,025 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,538,452, which basically is genuinely critical. The coin explicitly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for kind of past truly couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have major areas of strength for especially yet. We don't especially imagine that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, exhibiting how Hex all things considered has an all-out market cap of $1,274,076,025 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,538,452, or so they truly thought. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Hex fundamentally diminished by 90.519%, taking out an incredible normal amount of 7 cents from its ongoing worth, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be an excellent generally purchase a potential open door for fundamentally fast speculation, showing the way that the Hex cost could especially arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of 1 cent with the typical exchanging worth of 1 cent all through 2023, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change is near 70.91%, and the cost commonly coursed from a truly least most certainly normal cost of 2 cents to greatest genuinely normal cost of 2 cents in the truly beyond 90 days, exhibiting that Hex value expectation July 2023. The cost for Hex in July 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.01, which especially shows that starting around the 14th of June 2023 Hex especially is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.43% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they really thought. Hex certainly is somewhere near 60.00% with the most extreme pretty typical cost of the coin sort of was around 2 cents and the especially least fundamentally normal cost of truly was around 2 cents in every practical sense. Recent months, which truly shows that Hex value expectation July 2023. The cost for Hex in July 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.01, which really shows that starting around the 14th of June 2023 Hex in a real sense is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.43% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which especially is genuinely critical. Hex value figure 2023 FAQs what will basically be Hex fundamentally worth in 2023 in an essentially significant manner. The Hex cost truly is determined to truly arrive at an especially most extreme degree of 1 cent with kind of least cost of 1 cent toward the finish of 2023, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Hexes generally have a future in a fundamentally significant manner. As far as cost, Hex in every practical sense